Hi there, students. To litigate. This means to take legal action. So to litigate, to sue. If these people don't give us what we want, then we will have to litigate. So this is where you have a disagreement with somebody and you take it to court so that a judgment can be made, and this judgment must be accepted by both sides. Okay, so this is a phrase, a legal phrase. To sue. I think to sue is probably a more English phrase. Yeah, when somebody sues, they're trying to get money. So I would say to sue is to litigate for money. Yeah, but you litigate to get a disagreement resolved. Okay, so litigation. You have a litigator. This is a word for a lawyer. Yeah, this is to resort to legal action so that something can be resolved legally. A lawsuit. Yeah. So you have the plaintiff and the defendant, and the plaintiff, the person who is asking. Yeah, and the plaintiff wants to litigate. Yeah, either give him lots of money or he will litigate. So I think we are now living in a society where litigation is more and more common, particularly in the US. People with good lawyers or expensive lawyers can afford to litigate, but the rest of us who are poor can't afford to litigate. You have to prosecute somebody, to go to court, to press charges against. One of the major problems with litigation is the high cost of litigation. Yeah, if litigation is so expensive that you just can't afford to do it, then, well, is that law? Is that fair? No, I don't think it is. I think maybe litigation should be just two people talking in front of the judge, no lawyers allowed. Yeah, but, well, that might be more interesting, but then you've got to make the law a lot fairer, okay, or a lot, not fairer, but a lot less complicated. You ought to make the law, somebody said to me today, the other day, a program. Yeah, and you put the things in the details in the program and you get a decision. Okay, so to litigate, to contest an action in a court, to engage in legal proceedings, okay, to pursue a legal case. And this is the idea of litigate. If something is litigable, it's that you have a case where you could you could take legal action, you could take legal process. So to bring a lawsuit against somebody, to litigate. So I hope nobody litigates against me for anything that I've done. Normally, notice you litigate somebody's action, but then you litigate against somebody. Or most commonly to litigate intransitively. Yeah, this situation is intolerable. We're going to have to litigate, to take legal action. Okay, so formality, to litigate. Woof. I think I'm going to give this a 6 in formality. 6, maybe even 6.5. Informally, go to court. Yeah, to go to court. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. Business context is good. And then as to origin, it comes from litigo or litigo in Latin, from litem, a quarrel, and ago, to do. So to make a quarrel, to do a quarrel. Yeah, and that is effectively what you do when you litigate. Okay, so litigation. This is to contest something in law, to fight over something in court. Yeah, you litigate on a certain matter. Yeah, they litigated on his actions. Yeah, they litigated on grounds of breach of contract. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Litigate. Litigation.